So here we're doing a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Xega security camera. As you can see, it's just there. Now this is 3G and 4G. Comes with a solar panel as well, and you can see it affixed to the wall. And there's some more information about what it comes with. Audio, waterproof, card storage. I'm actually going to be setting this up with the 4G SIM card as well. So let's take a look and have a look. So nice compact packaging as well. We'll take a look to start with. Here is the actual solar panel. As you can see just here. Again, we'll go into how to set this up when we actually do it. Now, obviously, you've got to do it according to picture instructions. It's a bit difficult, actually. There we are. So there's the solar panel just there. And again, plugs straight into your Xega camera. And here's a bit more about how to actually start it there. As you can see, we'll go through that. Instruction booklet. And here is the actual camera itself. So let's take it out. So doesn't feel too heavy, but you can feel the quality build already. There it is just there. So there is the camera. So you got the aerials just there. So that's going to pick up the signal there and transmit it across. And here is the actual camera itself. You can see there it is just there. Now you can see the sensors on the front. So it has an 8,000 milliamp rechargeable battery. Now it's got a 2K camera at the front, 3 megapixel, and it also provides clear footage. So it can turn 355 degrees that way, and it can also turn 90 degrees that way as well. So it can go up and down to actually be able to move and see people as it's going, which is really good. It's also got two-way audio as well, so you can actually talk to people using it. And there's a speaker, as you can see just there at the back. And you've got the USB plug at the bottom there. The great thing is, again, it's solar paneled, so you don't have to worry about it getting caught in batteries and stuff like that. But I already like the look of the camera. It looks quite nice. Now it's also IP66 waterproof. So basically it can do day or night. It can work. So there it is just there. So what else comes in it? And that's where you'll fix it to the wall as well. So you can see it's going to fit nice and flush, which is good. And you've also got the mounting bracket. So you actually mount it onto that. We'll show you how to do that. And here's the actual part that you use to charge it against the wall as well. So and you've got your fixing screws just there. So it supports both cloud storage and also SIM card as well. So if we take it out there and have a look, this is where the SIM card goes. You can see you've got a couple of options there. You can use cloud storage to store it, or you can actually use your own memory card. So it takes the there's a SIM card just there, and the memory card, TF card just there. That's where the USB-C cable goes in. So you've got different opportunities with this, which is good. So it enables you to decide what you want. So yeah, it gives installation from, can support a 128 gig TF card, which is not included. You can also use a 3G or 4G LTE SIM card in it as well. But there it is just there. And isn't that really a lovely looking camera? It feels great quality, feature packed, and I can't wait to test it out.